Many of us think about starting a business at some point, but then we stop ourselves because we don't want to spend money on inventory, we don't want to deal with storage, packaging, or shipping, and that's where dropshipping comes in. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's super simple. You don't buy products up front, you don't keep any stock, and you don't do the shipping yourself. You just list the product, set your own price, and when a customer orders, the supplier packs and ships it directly to them. And today, I want to show you one of the best platforms that makes all of this really easy. It's called Doba. Doba is a US-based dropshipping platform where 90% of products are stocked in US warehouses. Their suppliers even include some of the top 500 US brands. Plus, it has AI tools that can help you create your store in minutes, find trendy products, and get recommendations on what sells best. And the best part? Doba connects with almost every major platform like Shopify, TikTok, Amazon, eBay, even Temu, so you can start selling right away without any hassle. So let's get started and see how you can use Doba to build your own online business. Okay, so first of all, just go to Doba's official website. The link is mentioned in the description box below. Once you're on the website, simply sign up and get started. After you log in, you'll see this kind of interface. Here, you'll find a lot of categories, trending products, and top-selling products. Doba has a huge catalog. Almost all the trending products you can think of are available here. You can also browse by niches. For example, we have these sections: TikTok shop selections, Temu selections, top-ranking products, and high-profit products. If I click on TikTok shop selections, you'll see this option: Connect your TikTok shop now. Simply click on it and connect your TikTok shop. Below that, you'll find a list of products to choose from. If you want to add any product directly to your TikTok shop, just click on List to TikTok Shop. That's it. The product will be listed in your shop, and then you can set your own prices and start selling. Doba will handle all the packaging, shipping, and delivery for you. Next, let's check out the Temu Selections category. Here, you can select products and add them to your inventory list, or you can even download a zip file that contains everything: product images, descriptions, and prices. So basically, all the details you need will be ready to use. And again, if you want to list any product directly to your shop, just click on List and it's done. Now, let's move to the integrations. Here, you can see all the platforms that Doba connects with. For example, if I click on Shopify, I can directly connect my Shopify store with Doba, start adding products, and sell right away. If you want to connect your Amazon store, just go to Amazon from here and connect it. In the same way, you can connect almost any store with Doba and start listing products. But what if you don't have a store yet? Don't worry, because creating a store is very simple with Doba. In fact, you can use their AI store builder to create a complete store in just minutes. Here's how. Go to the AI hub and click on AI Store Builder. It will ask you to subscribe, and it only costs $1.99. Very reasonable. By just paying around $1, you can create a full AI-powered store. So click on Subscribe, make the payment using your card, and then select the shop you want to create. For this demo, I'll select Shopify and click Start to Build. Next, select your target audience or store niche. For example, I'll choose Home, Garden, and Tools. Then click Next. Now, choose your preferred store theme color, whatever you like. You can also add a store banner here. And click Next again. Then click Create a Shopify account and select your plan. You'll also get a 3-day free trial of Shopify. After the free trial, you only need to pay $1 per month for the first 3 months, which is honestly amazing. You can try everything out for just $1, which is a really great deal. Once your Shopify store is created, simply copy its link, paste it here on Doba, and then install the Doba app on your Shopify store. From there, Doba will automatically start building your store, and within a few minutes, your store will be ready. And that's it. Now you can start listing products from Doba to your store, set your own prices, and begin selling. Doba will take care of everything for you, from packaging to shipping to delivering directly to your customers. And that's it. That's how easy it is to get started with Doba. Honestly, I love how it takes away all the stress of inventory and shipping, so you can just focus on the fun part: picking products and making sales. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the Future of AI for more simple tutorials and tools that can actually help you start and grow your online business. I've dropped the Doba link down in the description, so go check it out and start building your store today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.